Don't you go back there. Last thing I want is to lose you to that. It's the kid's problem, and there's nothing you can do for him. Best to forget about him. Go back to your normal life.
Times like this, I wonder.
I don't have to train. He does.
Oh, gotcha.
May I join the conversation about me now?
Sorry, I forgot. Okaroon's got no stamina at all.
She's right, I don't.
And to hold his curse down, I have to stick close to him.
He can carry you piggyback.
How much do you weigh, Miss Ayase?
Would you like to die?
Yeah, this won't work. In, like, cursed mode, I can only go all out about twice.
That's true.
Then train so you can go all out all the time. Push-ups, sit-ups, back work, squats, 5 sets and 100 reps of each.
Huh?
Do it. And Momo, you have to train your psychic powers. They need to be at a higher level than they are now. Since I won't be any help in the fight, both of you have to get way stronger. So it looks like I'll be training the two of you now. We start tomorrow, so get some sleep. Actually, Four Eyes, get some reps in now.
Oh, sure. She's so young for a grandma.
And so annoying.
I need to apologize for something.
What?
Before, when we were fighting that big alien, I got so desperate there I couldn't think of anyone other than myself. I'm sorry.
Don't be. That was a hairy situation.
Yeah, but the way you handled it, you saved me and killed the alien. I just want you to know that I'll do my best, so the next time something like that happens, I can save you. I don't want to disappoint you, and I don't want you to stop being my friend.
Look, I'm not disappointed in you. Don't overthink it. Well, that was,
I knew it! You are disappointed in me!
I just said I wasn't, but right now, yeah, 'cause you're being a pain in the ass.
I'm sorry.
You were pretty rad during that fight. But you're still a dork, and next time, I'll probably have to save you then, too. I'll get you a futon. You're sleeping out here tonight.
Miss Ayase!
Yeah?
I'm sorta... I'm thirsty, so may I have some water?
Grandma, you mind if I have some of your barley tea?
Nope.
Shocking news just came in. We have learned that Shoma, the famous pop idol, has a secret child, and he is not 20 years old as he recently claimed, but 27.
What about his favorite food? It's curry, not ramen, like I said.
Also,
He and his partner,
are not.
legally married.
The news is hot garbage these days.
Miss Ayase!
Oh, crap. Oh, Karun! He's gotta use the bathroom!
Let him.
I can't. That's the problem. Remember what I told you? If something's blocking my view of him, I can't keep a lid on his curse. The only way to let him do his business is for me to watch him doing it.
Then watch.
I am not watching him do his business!
I wouldn't let you anyway! I'd rather explode than lose my dignity! You're not looking! Turn around!
I could use some ideas if you got them.
Yeah, I got nothing. I am curious about how you're suppressing his curse, though.
Oh yeah, that. How do I put it? It's like I see an aura around him.
Really?
And if I picture my hand squeezing it, the aura shrinks and the curse settles down. Auras come in different colors. I can see them on everything. Even rocks and trees. If I concentrate, I can grab them. Then I can move them up and down, back and forth, however I want, but only in a tiny area.
Huh. I always thought supernatural abilities would be more powerful. Yours seem kinda limited.
When my powers first awakened in me, they were a hell of a lot more awesome than this. Suddenly, it was like whatever I imagined became real. I felt like I was invincible. But that didn't last too long, and now all I can do is grab auras and stuff.
Momo, close your eyes for a bit.
No! I don't want the curse taking him over again!
I think your problem is you rely on your eyes too much. Use one of your other senses. Like your sense of touch, maybe. If you can grab auras, I bet that also means you can feel them. So shut your peepers and try feeling the aura against your skin. Reach out and feel it.
It's cold. Is it working?
Yeah, not really.
Dang it!
Double dang it.
I can't take it anymore! This is it! I'm gonna blow!
Do something or he's gonna crap his pants.
I was doing what you told me to!
I don't want you watching me use the bathroom, but... See, I won't soil myself in front of you either!
Get back here!
Bathroom first!
Don't go dropping loads in other people's houses! It's bad manners!
Not if you're desperate!
Wait! I didn't say you could use that
Yeah,
bathroom!
whatever! The turtle head's broken out and there's no stopping it!
Oh, it's on
In this
now!
house, no one runs faster than me!
Except the guy trying to use the bathroom!
Not
Nice form, Ken Takakura!
I beat you all! This is humiliating.
For you and me both.
I always wanted to have a paranormal experience, like getting kidnapped by aliens.
For real?
But this sucks. I just want this curse to end already.
Momo, you said when you first got your powers, you felt invincible for a little while there.
Mm-hmm.
I think you were accessing your full power then. But for some reason or another, it got sealed off.
That actually sounds kinda cool.
It's a pain in the ass. You have to unseal your power bit by bit through training. Who knows how long it'll take till you can access all of it. You got time, though. The kid needs to get in shape, and that's gonna take a while.
I hate that you have to watch me on the toilet.
You think I like it? Grandma! It's Turbo Granny! She's loose again! Grandma? Can you hear me? Ugh, what have you done to my grandma, you bitch?
Your choice, heart attack or stroke. How do you want her to die? My curse is contagious thanks to this brat here. I can curse anyone he looks at to death. No more playing around, Missy. I won't give you any more time. Come to the tunnel tonight, or I'm gonna use the kid to curse and kill everyone. The tunnel tonight. Got it.
What happened?
Grandma!
Why am I bleeding?
Your ears are bleeding too. Is your head okay?
Momo, tell me everything that just happened.
Do I have to wear this?
I can't see through my mask.
Those outfits are evil spirit proof, so they stay on. You gotta be super careful now or you could die.
You know, we might look harmless, but we did beat up those aliens pretty good.
There's no such thing as aliens, and quit joking around. This is serious.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give the attitude a rest already? Because that's the reason you're always getting into trouble. You never listen to me, even when
Okay, jeez. Your nagging's what's gonna kill me. Come on, Okarun.
Momo.
What? What is it?
Don't die on me.
Okay.
Please. Watch over those two. Protect them.
Why are we going by train?
Cause it's too far by bike, and we're gonna need all our strength to pull this off. Turbo Granny's gonna wish she never met me.
I'm sorry I put you in danger.
Not even! No way can I let that ghost tag hurt someone I care about! I'm coming, Turbo Granny, and I'm gonna kick your ass! You first, Okarun.
No ladies first, I insist.
Then what if I start crying?
You're such a faker. We both go, fair and square.
Hey, you're behind me now! How's that fair?
Now you're behind me! We're going it together!
Damn you! Stop it! Let's go.
Right.
So, what are we supposed to do when Turbo Granny shows anyway? Punch her?
No! We have to lure her out of Shono City and get her away from the bound spirit in here. That way, she'll be weak enough for us to beat her.
Oh, yeah. Although, we handled that big alien on our own just fine. I bet we could beat her right now.
You're not scared anymore?
What's to be scared of? She's a little old biddy, not some ginormous alien.
She's huge! What are we gonna do?
Calm down. We'll lead her out of the city like you said. Come on. What? No way! This can't be real!
It looks like she's about to attack!
Give me those. I got this. Ew! Her eyes are mouths!
Let me take a crack at her, Miss Ayase! Release the curse!
Okay, good luck.
I'll do my best! Damn, she's huge. What was I thinking? I can't do jack to her.
All right. Forgot about your downer power. I'm rooting for you. Go kick her fat ass.
I'll die from the stress first.
Huh?
No way! Miss Ayase! Where'd the curse go?
What's going on? I can't see it anymore.
I gave the little twerp his dong back, and now the curse is all gone from him. I didn't expect you could tap into its power and use it against me. And I won't let you do it again, you thieving pig! You can't use my power! I'm gonna chew you up good and eat you!
Taunt her. She thinks she's the fastest thing around. And if you challenge her, she'll take you up on it without batting an eye.
What's the matter? You scared to race? Chomping on us is so passé. You're supposed to be the Turbo Granny. Well, here's your chance to show off how fast you really are. I mean, if you're so turbo. Let's race and see who's faster!
Damn punk. Who do you think you're mouthing off to over here? I never lost a race, you hear me? Never. I'll take you on if that's what you want. It don't matter if I eat you now or later. What are the rules? Where's the finish line?
No finish line. This is a game of tag. And to win, all you gotta do is catch us. Simple enough. We'll start running, and you count 10 minutes to give us a head start. Them's the rules, so don't go breaking them. You do, and the legend of Turbo Granny will go right in the crapper.
All right. I can't stand people who break the rules.
Then we're on! Run, Okarun!
I thought we were goners for a sec there! You're a genius, Miss Ayase!
I know! Wish I gave us more time, though! 10 minutes might not be enough to get out of town!
5 minutes. 8 minutes.
What the hell is she doing? Why is she counting like that?
10 minutes. 10 minutes are up. Now I'll start the 10-minute count for you. 40. 1 minute.
That's not fair! Let Miss Ayase go!
56.
Hey, why are you counting all weird? You said you'd follow the rules!
No one said how to count. 4 minutes. 5 minutes.
Would you stop? That's not counting!
10 minutes. Now. You're mine!
You're a dork, and next time, I'll probably have to save you then, too.
I'm gonna suckle your dates!
Let go of my boob, you little bastard! I didn't say you could do that now!
No, you said you'd let me! And I'm not letting go till you let Miss Ayase go!
What's going on? I lost all my strength! Is it cause of those rats you're wearing? Damn you! If that's how it is, I'm taking over! You're a pain in my ass. You damn rat! You must be working with some kind of sorcerer or something. Whatever. I'll eat the girl and end this. Something's squeezing me from inside.
I know you're in there, even though I can't see you. That's your true form, Turbo Granny, and now I get it. I can feel you!
Get down! Back! Let me go!
Thanks for that!
Couldn't have done it without you, Okaroon!
Shut up! I swear, if you don't let me out of this, kid!
Oh, you're not going anywhere. We're gonna have some fun with you.
Get my turbo ready! Sound spirit! Murder their asses!
Why does the boat spirit look like a crab?
My grandma says the souls of the dead turn into freshwater crabs so they can cross the river to the underworld!
What are you doing, you idiot? They're over here!
You gotta transform! Quit squirming, you greasy old bag!
Hey, you can't
Hurry, Miss Ayase!
This ain't easy! You got her true form in you now!
Holy crap!
Whoa! Too close!
Curse you! I didn't say you could use my power! Let me go!
Oh, looky, now it's super easy to strangle you for real.
Bad news, babe.
Hey, don't you go calling me babe!
I can't make the curve. You're too heavy.
You're kidding! Damn it!
I'm going all out!
Yes, helicopter! Good idea!
I'm done.
Okaroon, you okay?
I'm flattered.
Thanks for letting me land on you.
I used one of my all-outs.
Sucks you can only go all out twice, but at least you bought us some time. Oh, no! This shell is covered in faces!
How are paper trades looking? Do you have stats? I'm not testing out the results. Right now I'm really looking for the most optimal entries. It's not about the reason, because sometimes that it'll blast right through this area and sometimes it doesn't get there. I'm just looking to figure out where optimal entries for these positions would be. All right, news here. Spreads at 22. Oh, you see, it would have blasted right through here. This is the top wick for the day. Oh my God, Jesus, what? WTF? Yeah, I don't think we would have caught anything here. So what I will say is, right now we have 40 seconds for this 1 minute candle. Once this 1 minute closes, you'll see a pullback on the next 1 minute candle. Once it flips, that's where we'll be in. Just keeps re-breaking its own high. So you got 20 seconds. You have results? We do have results. Neutral. Everything came out neutral. We're gonna take, not yet, our buy right here. Just took a buy. Gonna expect this candle to re-break its own high and come up. If it comes down, we're gonna look for this on a 5 as well. The candle made a bottom wick and flipped. So just entered as this candle flipped. And I'm gonna enter another buy right here. So got another buy at one at 26.18.3, one at 26.15.7. $18.3 and $15.7. Right here. All right. Oh. Chat. Taking another buy right here. 2613.7. Right at this support. And if we end up going back in range and closing back in range on the 5, then we'll reevaluate. This isn't the stop yet, and I'm gonna take a buy right here. 2612.28. So took a buy at every possible support here. As far as support goes, I mean, these are all of our areas, and we have a minute and a half for the 5 to close. So I'm going to have to wait for the 5 to close here, regardless of what happens. Wow, what a wick. Yeah, I at this point I have to wait for the 5 to close. Whether it closes bullish or bearish, I gotta wait for it to close. Wow, nasty pullback in range. If it flips, it flips, but there's 1 minute left in this 5, and I gotta wait for it to close. You would need a top wick. Yeah, you would need a top wick on the next 5. 5 closes in 10 seconds here. So 5 closed. And the 5 closed above the range. So you could get a top wick here and come down, but ideally we wanted a bottom wick first here. We needed a top wick on that closure, which we got. We got a bullish closure above the range. We need a bottom wick on this candle, so it might come down and give you one here. We will see. We will see. But with that 5 closure, I'm expecting just a bullish push to fill those wicks at least partially. So we will see. We will see. Did it flip? Gave you a bottom wick. So at this point, if it re-breaks the highs, then you should be good to go. But will it re-break the highs? We don't know. Came down, grabbed the bottom wick. So if once it re-breaks the highs, I think it should be a quick pop, but it needs to re-break the current 5 high to make sense. Okay, so it rebroke that 5 high. We should see a pop up. Not too sure what it's waiting on. We rebroke the high after we've made a bottom wick and a top wick. Anytime you want to go gold. Wow. I think it tried twice, or it rebroke the high twice here, or 3 times. Technically, a lot has to do with the second and the third pineapple. I mean, 2 pips better entry, I think we would have been out there, out of that position. But overall, I just, once it rebroke the 5 high, I have extra confidence that it should come up. But we didn't, and now if we re-break the lows, you'll see a drive on the re-break of the highs or the lows, whichever one it is. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. 3, 2. That's tough. The 5 closed here again, so I'm kind of obligated to wait on this 15. But the thing is, that 5 closed back in range. That's a top wick. 5 closed back in range. That's an onion, so we might come down here. We might, but I gotta wait on this 15 to close. Testing our patience. Testing our patience. I'm just not sure why we didn't come up after we rebroke the high. It made no sense. Right here. After this red candle rebroke the high, I was expecting just a quick drive up because it rebreak of the high and we already closed above. It's a little tough. Got 3 minutes on this 15. Yeah, the numbers came out more or less even, so we're playing the price action game here. Yeah, the numbers came out more or less even, so we're playing the price action game here. Yeah, the numbers came out more.
ब्रो यार, I was talking this whole time and my mic is not set up. Yeah, it filters. Hello, hello. All right, this is fine. No, man, this is fine. Yeah, fuck, what is happening? I don't know what's happening in the market. Wow, man, this 5 is we're breaking it slow again. Okay, that shows we're coming down. Okay. We're gonna close our position. How many pips? Like hit one buy over here. 8 pips. Yeah, could work. Okay, as we can see here, if we say the liquidity is grabbed here, okay. Okay, on the break. Okay, in a position, expecting market to push at least to these areas. That's the 130 pips, okay? That's my advantage point. Why I take this as broke came inside the range and it's coming down to retest this range. So yeah, the thing I think motherfucker is saying he got into 8th position. Like what the fuck?
Because
Is
at this
that
point, look, the previous
it
candles, the previous
sells?
30s closed bearish
Motherfucker,
in
I'm
range.
gonna lose
And
the
we've
money
made this
now.
top wick and we
He
flipped
also took the
bearish and
sales
rebroke the
here.
lows after all of that. So my understanding is now that it's flipped, it's gonna come down and fill the range to here. But it flipped and now it's coming right back. So plain
I have to
fuckery.
manage this trade, bro. I have to manage this trade. He also took the sales. Like it sales.
This isn't the leg candle to come back the other way. We got a top wick first and came down.
Koy
So
school that jam school.
it did everything you'd expect for a candle to come down. It gave you a top wick on the 15 with the 30 already having a top wick and re-breaking the lows. So with it doing all of that, I just expect this to come down to at least here, at least these areas. And that's 40 pips. The ranges are massive.
Ooh, okay, expect that. Okay. That's decent.
But I guess we're coming right back up. What a joke.
This looks like pure gambling here. I can't lie. Now
So if you need a pineapple now, you'll be in 16th position. No. This isn't the pineapple position. Once this 30 flips, I'm expecting it to come down. If it starts driving up here, I'm not going to wait on it to continue driving up. I'm going to wait on a closure above here, right? But I'm not
Dude,
looking
that's
for
the
sells once it's
money.
coming up here. My only
Mine
sell
is
is on
0.07
this position would be
volume.
on
Okay.
that break of the lows, on that 30 flip.
I'm getting
If this 30 ends up closing
Okay, but
bullish,
that's fine.
I'm just gonna
I
close
can
everything again.
I can adapt to this new lot size.
Then it'll just be an extra burn. But there's no pineapples on this position. The only pineapples could be on buys here.
Motherfucker close upside.
That just made no sense.
Okay, if it flips, we're take a sell and expect it to manage at break even. Okay, if it flips.
Yeah, I can't. There's no pineapples in this type of position. This position can
Okay,
either
two
flip and run,
position,
or it's gonna close bullish above here, and you're in the wrong
two
direction.
position.
You know what I mean? But after that 30 broke down, I just don't understand why we would do anything else.
Coach, bad
The 30 rebroke the low.
customer. Motherfucker is flipping. Come on, man, you have to push down. We bioticals, bio. Yeah, if it breaks that high, I'm gonna close all the trade.
News whipsaw. Well, the news didn't
Okay,
come
if it
out in
breaks
different
that,
directions. It came out just even.
this,
So if we're playing price
this
action, that's what we would have
new
done
high
in
that
price action.
created.
After that top wick, bearish closure on the previous candle, the bearish flip, we would be in there forever, ever. Always. Now we wait. Now I wait. Yeah, from the looks of it and the way it respected this area, it's highly indecisive, right? You're at a resistance area, but you found a support on a smaller time frame.
Okay, that's rebreaking the high.
Fucking ugly. Wow, I couldn't have had a worse closure.
We're gonna take another position here.
Stopping out all the bears. Well, I'm not necessarily bearish. Maybe on the daily.
Flip on if I rebreak my link.
Whoops. Sorry, gang. Wrong button. The hourly closed bearish as well. And we had a bearish flip, closed bearish at resistance. After this top wick, we had this bearish flip. And it held a 5-minute support. A fucking joke. It's trading. Hey, no hate. You have the right to hate a few nights out of the year.
लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाउँदै गइरहेछ क्या फेरि सोल्टीले त टेन्सन दियो त
Nothing to apologize for.
टेन्सन
Oh, no, no, no. I
त्यो उसलाई
apologize
कति
for
टेन्सन
erasing
भइरहला
that line
तर साथीलाई
for a second. I went like this.
8 वटा
Sorry, chat.
ब्याक राखेर बसिरहेको ओ फक म्यान
There's no pineapples on cells here. You're coping hard. Well, the next trade, I'm not going to look for 80 pips or 100 pips or 1,000 pips, but
अर्को इन्टर गरे
we should have clearer direction. Pip count on the loss. Oh, you'll get a pip count. I think Jay will give you a rundown. Once these trades are up, Jay will give you a rundown. Three minutes here. 3 minutes, chat.
Okay.
I mean, this kind of closure doesn't do us any good either, right? A weak bullish closure. You need this to flip. You need this to flip and come down the other way. You need it to flip bearish.
Hey, bro.
If it closes below 26.1159,
Manage going to this time, मलाई
I think the way it's closing, it's holding a support. You would probably see a wick fill to the upside if it closes like this.
I missed.
Probably seen that now on the phone.
I fucking missed. Trade गरेको बेला चाहिँ एकदम दिमाग नचल्ने हुन्छ क्या धेरै यस्तो ब्रेक गर्यो अब फ्लिप गर्दैछ fuck man that's a pure buy as my sense.
Yeah, the 5 flipped, so gotta wait. If we close above this area, highly likely we'll look to manage risk.
Man, we're fucked now, I guess.
26.14.994. I'll wait for a smaller time frame to close above there.
What's the L we are taking here is 80. 80 means 70 means yeah, something 60 53 52. That's 80 in the 70 50 70 120 pips $20. Okay. Okay, 4 hour closing. Okay, not my 4 hour. Okay, we still have 1 minute. 4 hour close, 1 minute to close 4 hours.
It's closing above the most recent right now, and it's got room to go.
Give on the time, bro.
So after bottom wick, you'd expect this wick fill.
What are you expecting, bro?
See, 20 seconds. We'll see how it closes.
FOREX closing like this again. Almost bullish. It should push up. Right? Oh fuck. I nearly got shells there.
Close right at it.
Within
But I think
pulse.
after a bottom wick, you could see this come up. It's creating that bottom wick now. We would need to break this previous 30 low. Tough. Yeah,
Come on, bro.
just look at the
Show me
4
some
hour. It's
miracle.
printing higher highs, higher lows, bullish candles. You didn't really get a closure above there, right? Just
Fuck.
4 hour. If you're looking off the 4 hour.
4
level.
hours pushing.
But you did close above the most recent, so you have all the way up to this wick to fill. We'll see.
हजुर हजुर कहाँ
के खान्छ अखिर जान्छु कि
ए जानु न
लिएर घर जाऊ होइन
अँ
आज हुँदैन पनि अलिक खाइहाल्यो होइन
अँ
हामी पर गएर आउँछौँ
अँ
तिमी
हुन्छ
के खाने
मलाई थाहा छैन मैले त
के
अघि चटपटेर
दसैँहरू के बर्गर
Voice
के
is better
खान्छ
today.
केही नखान्छ खाइसक्यो
Yeah.
मैले त
ल हामी
गइसक्यो
मम्मीहरूले लिएर जाऊ होइन
अँ
तिम्रो कन्टरले हाल्छु ल
ल
गाइजहरू त्यहाँ आउँछ भन्दैछ यहाँ खाने भन्छ के गर्छ होइन
को चाहिँ
साइलाहरू पनि छ अरू भाइहरू पनि आउँदैछ होइन
अँ तपाईँ चाहिँ कसमा जानु अरे
म कति चाहिँ पुगेर आउँछु खाइहाल्यो अब घरमा गयो भने लिनु हुन्छ है
भाइ 26 तारिक लाउनु
अब घर गएँ म त म आउँछु
हुन्छ
म
I
तिमीलाई
also
कल
don't think
गर्छु
this is enough of a top wick on a 4 hour. Right?
तिमी गर
Actually, I
होइन
think this 4 hour
Okay,
might
okay.
break the highs,
अब तिमी सक्यो भने काम सक्यो भने बाहिर अलिकति टाइम दिएर
but we'll see.
मम्मी बहिनीहरूलाई उ गरेर के गरेर राख ल
हुन्छ हुन्छ सकेर आउँछु नि
म उता गर्छु ल
ल
यहाँ के तिम्रो तिम्रो जिम्मा हो त
Because we held resistance, so I would need to get some closures above to actually confirm that we're coming up.
I'm in a
Because right
loss
now,
here, man.
There's no confirmation.
So if
outside of
if
just
this
bullish closure
broke,
that held
if this
resistance,
if
right?
this 4 hour breaks the low again, okay, gonna take another sells because nigga. What that indicates is that bottom wick is not enough. Yeah, that indicates that. It goes and flips, it fills.
Jeez, what a ugly
And
news
then,
candle.
then it does, man. Then it does. Very ugly. There's news like tomorrow also news, and day after tomorrow also there's a news. Okay, that's why I guess.
Tried
we-
several times. Previous 5 also closed back in range. The trickle up is real.
And this could have.
Created a top wick on the 4 hour though.
Yeah, right? It created a 4 hour top wick. If it flips, it breaks the low.
Maybe a bearish closure on the 30.
Fucker.
For now.
Let's say takes shit, man. Where is my keyboard? Take sells on re-break off
Yeah,
the
you'd figure it'd fill
4
partially of
hour
this
low.
range partially or fully with that bullish closure, right? And the 4 hour top wick and the 4 hour closing bullish. But it closed at this 4 hour resistance, which tells me until you get a closure above here.
This is basically my
Still
Monday
likely to come
and
down there, come up.
Tuesday
But
profit. This much.
we have to wait. We have to wait for We have to
What
wait to
is
see if
this?
this candle closes above or if we come down.
All right, we are breaking down. Come on, bro. Break the left.
These trades must have hurt your account. It's a loss. It is a loss.
Fuck, if it is breaking that high, then that's good. That's good.
Yeah, the
We break
triple
the
up
hand
is
flip,
real
okay?
here. So
We break
once
the
this
hand flip.
15 closes, if it closes above here, we gotta look to manage risk. If it closes below, then we leave it open.
Now flip. Now flip, bro.
Got 8 minutes on this
Please
15.
flip. Flip, flip, flip,
Maybe
flip,
this is
flip,
the
flip,
push up.
flip, 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 flip. Now it's time to flip you. Flip, boy. You have to flip, boy. 1 hour close like this. Now you have to flip, boy. Well, this is ugly. If I have to say. Okay, take a sell there.
Your buy stops. We're good.
Well, this is. I'm like, this is out of my.
You can't stay in that position once that
out
30
of
flips
my-
bearish here. The previous
out of
hourly
my-
and the previous 30 closed all bearish.
Setup.
That 30
This
flipped
is-
bearish back in range.
Okay.
I don't see a situation where I can say, all right, you're ahead now. You're still ahead once that 30 flipped bearish.
This was my.
Unfortunately,
This
that's the
down.
nature of the game.
No point of validating my trade.
My stop
have
loss is
to
up here, but it doesn't
manage
mean I'm going to hold for that
this.
whole stop loss. It just depends on how we close here on these candles. I'll count up everything once we're out of the trades here, then we'll do a count up. It's 15 is key here, yeah. That's what I'm locked in. I want to see how the 15 closes. 6
Down
minutes.
bullish force headed towards Seymour after when identified object was seen in this receiver. Actually, 4 months after the trace. Almost in both sections.
Selling at the bottom of the range became a thing here. You're at the top of the range. You had an hourly closure here. And when we took buys, it was the smaller time frame flips. But the 30 flipped bearish after the hourly closed bearish here. Right? We got this top wick and a 30 flip bearish here. And the hourly flip bearish there, right? The hourly and the 30 closed bearish previously, and then the hourly and the 30 flip bearish. Don't know. Don't know. No. Got 5 minutes on this 15. Do you think position is still valid? I want to get in for sells. No, I would wait for it to re-break the lows again for sells. Our entry was the re-break of the lows on the previous candle. And once that happens, after that top wick, you're expecting a drive back down to the bottom of the range. So it's either this closes no top wick and we stay in there, or it closes below 26.14 and we stay in there. If it closes above, we'll probably look to manage risk. Four minutes. Oh, gotta flip the tape. Yeah, if both of these lose, this combined, it'll be my biggest loss. I'm waiting 3 minutes here, chat. Might push here, rebroke the highs, might push heavy, but I gotta wait 3 minutes. Gotta wait to see how this closes.
Pushing up, motherfucker, yeah. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on, what are you doing, bro? Bro. Bro. Look at this. This is support. I'm like resistance, bro. Bro, we pushing here. Bro, man.
If we stayed in our original
position,
right here.
Bro, man, bro. Bro, what's this, bro? कतिको डिफरेन्समा थियो पोजिसन
Yeah, 15 closing here in
20
2 minutes.
pips
It's gonna close bullish. And it won't close leg candle, right? Because it's a heavy push. So even if it pulls back here, it'll have a top wick and a bullish close. You got 2 minutes to go. Yeah. We're gonna most likely end up closing this.
It's like I'm having loss, and this guy is also having, but this guy is having big loss. Minus $80. इसकी बहन की मजे मजे.
Is he re-breaking the highs? Yeah, I'm gonna close full here. I closed full there, gang. Alright. Let's count up the damage. Let's count up the damage. I closed full as it rebroke its own high after pulling back to this area to 26.14. Just once it rebreaks the highs there, it doesn't make sense to stay in there.
Bruh.
Count up the damage. I'm not gonna draw it down. I closed and I got lost and I got losses.
This is not closing. Should I also close the trade? So okay, let's reanalyze the trade first. Okay. So what is happening is came down, created a purple structure. Now it is consolidating between this area. Okay, this came up, came down, came up, crap. Okay. Let's see if this 30-minute is flipping down, then I'm gonna take another trade again. 30-minute is flipping down. Yeah, I'm gonna take another trade. Stops will be probably these areas are, yeah, and these areas. If the candle closes inside this, okay, that will be my area. Also, I'm gonna manage the risk here and there. Risk band ki maje. Nice, look at it's creating a bullish structure create गरेछ यो एरियामा टाइप गर्नु त बाइ पो गर्छ त मलाई यहाँ बाइ पनि लिनु पर्यो कि क्लोज गरेर बाइ लिदिनु त 30 pips
Jesus fucking Christ, I just looked at the charts. Ah. Yeah, if this shit comes down back in range now, I'm gonna flip. It's a lot of pips to count, Jay. I'm gonna need you to count the pips, but it's a 170k loss. I just made my 60 back.
170,000 loss. Motherfucker. Into 135.
Well, guess what?
2 crore.
Gives us a chance to hit the milli again.
2 crore 29 lakh. This motherfucker lost just today, just here, just now.
Look at this fucking candle.
Crazy.
We were closing out here regardless. 15 closed above with a top wick. Everything you don't want to see. Even if we didn't re-break the highs. What a fucking joke. Yeah, this is the biggest loss I've ever had was, I think, 118,000.
Yeah, now I'm gonna.
This blew that out the water.
Buy. Pocket no buy limit. That's gonna manage.
Yeah, minus around 10%.
You could have managed last one, but you were already on loss, so your
A
psychology
little
got
more than 10%.
fucked.
You could have managed the last one. No, no, I'm just from looking at it, I would have managed it the same way. If we didn't take the first position, we would have definitely been in here on the sells on the 30. That's for sure. On that flip. So regardless of whatever, we would have been in there. Irrelevant or irrespective of the first position, we still would have been in here on that 30 flip.
Yeah, of course you
Number
would
one.
have, but you didn't close this
Number
soon,
two, we would have still
and
closed here once that 15 closed bullish with a top wick, and it's not a lick handle, right? It's pretty heavy body. House you're saving on needs to wait a bit longer. I already closed on it. How about that? No, nothing. At this point, I just wait. Don't you think it's better not to trade during mixed news? It wasn't mixed news. It's just what's expected. This was expected, so you got all the numbers across the board that were expected, right? So you're not expecting a push in either direction. You're just expecting price action.
yeah,
Yeah, I was going to say 10% of your accounts are over risk today, but no, it was two separate ideas, right? So maybe like around 5% per, I mean like 6 and 4%. 5% is normal for me. Like with all my pineapples, I've lost, you know, on 7 or 8% before. But this is the biggest dollar amount I've lost. I've definitely lost more in pips before. But if you guys remember, I raised my lots this week.
60, 65. My lot. Yeah, because I'm not. Yeah, 10 pips.
What a time to raise a lot.
20, 30, 40. 40%. 17.
अरे यार के हो यार फ्लिप हुनु भने के भइराछ
How much you lost today? $1.70.
Fuck, bro. You have to flip, bro. Right, alright, flip, bro, flip.
When you raise your lots, are you taking? Yeah, I'm taking the same
Stop
positions.
playing
I just raised
motherfucker.
my lots. Bet your wife's gonna be mad. My wife doesn't know if I'm trading a $10 account or a 10 million account. Yeah, Wix 9 got clapped today. We've been doing this for. I can say this with confidence. We will come back. I will make it back, and the only reason I say that is because every loss I've ever had since I started trading has been made back. Yeah, chat. That took us from 1.1 to back under a milli. Well, like I said earlier, I'll get to hit a milli again.
Fuck. we're fucked. Because we're fucked. Was that मैं ना चाहूँ अब तो ये तो गया लेने अब तो
How much you initially deposit of my money? 42,000. How long did it take you to make it to a
Dude,
million
यार
years? Like
अब चाहिँ
years?
गाह्रो पर्यो मलाई पनि अब चाहिँ यो त weak field भइहाल्छ
So how I usually deal with this, right? If when I take a loss, I'll go back to this loss. So well, I'm gonna go after the stream. I'll go to replay mode, and I'll let this play again, right? We'll go replay, and I'll close it out, and I'll let it play again, just to see how I would react. But I'll do this later, right? But just to see how
flip गर्यो म्याचिङ पनि
how different my
भएन
thought
क्या,
process
थाहा
is now
हामीलाई
versus
पुस
than
भएन
what it was
just
before, and if I've missed anything,
इन्टर
if
गर्यो
I'm,
अनि त्यसो
like,
गयो
what could have been the tell there, right? But looking at it like this, just I would have still taken that 30. I would have still closed. Yeah, I'm just looking at. I would have still closed on this 15. Paper trade would have lost. All the trades would have lost. Update trades. Yeah, we're gonna do that right now.
imaginable money
Okay,
Make
buys
a
minus a
massive
lot,
money,
sells
bruh.
minus a shit ton.
imaginable money
When you were trading 40K account, what lot size did you use? It was between 3 and 5, really. Between 1 and 5, but it depends at what time in that 40. Are you looking for more trades? Yeah, but I'm gonna let this now play out. Our positions, we're supposed to utilize the volume that comes from actually having red folders. We just haven't driven anywhere. We stayed within this range
Got this, bro. I got
that was
this.
created by that wick.
oh oh
By close what?
all right, the
Buys or
30 is
sells?
closing, motherfucker. Okay, 30 is closing. 30 closed. Fucking is gonna push up again. Bro, what
Where's
should I
Joe?
do?
You're in a total of minus 3,400 pips.
I
No, I'm not.
really want it. के भयो त सन 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 परम सुन्दरी हलायो यस्तो भयो स्ट्रक्चर यस्तो भयो माथि गयो फेक आउट भयो फेरि माथि गयो यहाँ र यहाँ थियो
I think Mix is more I'm really not pissed off.
Okay, fine. भित्र close भयो. Still. La.
Yeah, obviously nobody likes
close
losses,
anymore.
but like it's not gonna change the rest of my day, right? It's not gonna change the overall, of my day, of my daily routine.
Why I take this? Because as you can see here, it closed below, right? And it's creating top wick first, and it might flip. That's what I'm expecting. Hey guys, hey.
Call it a day. No. Bitcoin broke highs again. Not for long. I don't think Bitcoin goes up for a while. I think you're going to see a massive crash on Bitcoin. That's just me. Yeah, I'm planning to take more trades if they show up. Right now, there's just no trades. Which is kind of a good thing. It's letting me absorb my L. Sell the hype? Yes. Bingo. When everything is telling you it's bullish, when all the banks, when all the institutions, when every single person you know is telling you to buy, that buy is gone. Yeah, anything up or down right now is completely like, separate of our initial breakdown, because you've had more data print. You've had buy sprint, you've had sell sprint, right? So more arbitrary here.
Break that low again, motherfucker. के भइरहेछ? Break that low again. Break गर्नै पर्छ तैँले.
Close your eyes, press sell. Yeah, I mean, you can go first. I'm gonna wait for this to print. Yeah, I think before it gets to 100K, I think it'll drop. You're gonna see a heavy pullback on Bitcoin.
Yes, broke that low. Come on, push. This is the point where you have to push. Yes, baby, yes. Come on. Just one break. Motherfucker.
Yeah, if everyone is hyping stuff up, you're probably too late.
Come on.
15, that's fine. I'm not looking for that.
Once you broke that low, you're up, bro. You're up. Just broke that low once. Motherfucker. Cocksucker. Yes. Broke that low. Yeah.
Everyone telling you to buy Bitcoin right now is in your front, or they're just not an expert.
Broke that low. Param Sundari. Broke that low. Motherfucker, broke that low. Yes, coming right away. Yes, baby. Closing just there, 10 pips. Boom. I know it's gonna come down, but I ain't gonna risk it. Yes, look at that motherfucker. Closed ad, I guess. Yeah. 8 pips.
Need a closure here, right? The previous candle closed bullish above the range on a 30, right? So this can flip bearish at any moment. I mean,
That
flip
was
bullish at any moment, right?
nicely
Re-break the highs.
managed,
So I want a closure. Once you
trade,
have a closure,
guys. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah. Now let's. Yeah,
We
of
can
course.
look for
If
more.
it comes down
That
to these levels,
closure
we're gonna buy.
can show up in the form of a 15 or a 5.
$8 means just.
You don't have an
It's
onion.
10 pips.
You don't have a celery. You don't really have anything until you have a closure. Well, the trolls have content for the day. Got their content.
That was straight, man. That was straight. Yeah, but that's fine. You have to get out when you get a chance, okay? That's you should keep it in mind. I did what I have to do.
Okay, we're gonna see this candle pull back a bit here. If it pulls back, we might have opportunities for entries here, but I'm gonna need a pullback right here, right now.
Okay. Motherfucker pushing. So where could be my possible area of taking profit? This is the one.
Awesome. I'm gonna take a sell right here.
Okay. I think I'm fucked.
Just took a sell over there.
Taking other sales
Three
here again.
positions. Have a massively bearish candle. We have great opportunity to manage risks, and we have a nice range down to fill here. Took a sell at 2607.4. So right where we are right now, basically.
Not much.
I'm also going to look for pineapple at 11 if we get there.
Ah. Scott. What could be the
Sorry.
thing? Okay.
At 10. 2610.
I would have got 10 pips. Nice.
So if the next 5 can give us a top wick, we'll probably look for more positions.
Okay, we got our trade there. Now let's see what we can do here. Okay, if we see the nine thing, yeah, this was the area to take the trade, man. Oh, fuck it. Yeah, right? Like, it was not there. Yeah, perfectly managed. No issue there.
10 seconds on this 5. 2609.45 if we get a top wick. Okay. $2609.45 if we can get there.
Yeah, on the flip, yes, we're gonna see a weak fill. Nothing much. Yeah, nothing much, just a weak fill. Let's see if we survive or not.
Alright, gang, I'm gonna close 2 out of the 3 positions that I have here, and
Fuck,
I'm
we
gonna
didn't
go break
survive.
even, and I'm gonna let this play out. And be hit. Awesome.
Param Sundari.
20 something pips on that trade. I'm gonna wait for this 15 to
Look,
close
4 hour is
and
looking
look
good.
for a top wick.
Like, just create a top wick, bottom wick,
How much did
top
you
wick,
win?
and to bring it
22,
slow.
23 pips there.
Right, but yeah, if it
We got 3 minutes on this 15. Up or down, it's fine for us, because if it comes up, we get a top wick. If it comes down, we'll look for a top wick entry on the next candle.
yeah, but we need to see a closer below this. But then, we have a range. Do down
Struggling here,
here.
but there's
You
3
can
minutes to go.
play this range, okay?
So I'm kind of glad
You can play
it's
this
struggling
range,
right
but
now.
it has to close below that.
Last trade on stream, you won 990. No, I had one. Last trade on stream was 3 positions. It won. Oh, geez. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. Yeah, it was 9 pips. My apologies. $9.60, so yeah, 10 pips. But I can't just, you know, like I said, I'm going to approach this the same way we always do. I can't leave that with no... Sorry, let's get rid of this. I can't leave that without going break even after we filled the wick here, right? We filled that wick. So if you don't go break even here, it's going to be tough, because that's your advantage point. 1 minute. 1 minute for this 15. Kept original positions. Thank you, Wix. Don't thank me. You did better than me. That was all you.
Motherfucker, asshole. What is our guy doing? I keep what already in Lamo. So let's see what is today's okay $7, 10 pips in loss.
Is Jay a bot? No, Jay is
10
one of
pips
the
in
people
loss,
in the
bro.
chain.
10 pips.
Jay is honestly the official scorekeeper here, or the unofficial scorekeeper. All right, no top wick on that 5. 15's got a bottom wick. We need to come up. We need to create a top wick here. Once this comes up, if it doesn't fill this wick to the left, if we don't fill this whole wick, Oh, you fucker.
Bye.
Well, forget
Yeah.
that. As I say, if it doesn't fill the wick and we come up, we'll have entries here as soon as we come up.
Okay, if it breaks
Been
the
waiting
low,
for the
comes
1
to
hour.
these areas,
Yeah,
go
I
back,
mean,
tap these
we'll
areas
look
and
for more
re-break.
positions on the 1 hour, of course. It's a
That's
heavy 1
buy.
hour
That's a
push.
sell. Okay. It has to be a push.
I don't like the fact that we didn't grab orders from here.
If
Just came
this
straight
30
down, which
15
tells me
minute
at any
flips,
moment we can still come up and
then
grab
that
those
idea
orders
is gone.
until the 15 closes.
Yeah. What's it today?
More than 1,000 pips in those trades? No. Not even close. But still a lot. Yeah, it's 60K. It took me like 3 weeks.
Alright, we are re-breaking, I guess.
We're breaking the lows. I don't know. We're going to need a closure here because there's no top wick here. We can flip bullish at any time.
I really
right?
want to sell.
We still haven't had a closure below the range. So yeah.
Let's see.
The hourly closes in 10 minutes though. And I think the hourly will close bearish no matter what, right? Leg candle on the 5. Oh, on the 1. Sorry. Daily could still flip? Yeah, of course. Chat. Alright, gang. We're gonna take a sell right here. Right where we are right now. It's 2606.7. I'm expecting it either to re-break the low or to come up for a top wick on the next hourly.
I was taking a sell here.
And either one will be fine because the hourly will be closing heavily bearish.
Expecting it to at least come down to these areas. Stop loss will be, yeah, flip off this motherfucker. TP1 would be, this could be the TP1.
Yeah, so we have sells here, and I'm holding these sells for the hourly closure. I want to see where we are.
That's my baby. Tap this.
You know what, I'm gonna close full right here at 16 pips.
That's
For two positions.
closing half.
It's 30 something pips. 32. Boom.
To break even. And yes, man. Now
31.
it has to come to these
34,
areas.
34 pips.
He
Right?
has
34
nowhere
and
to
a half?
go.
Yeah, Jay. 34 and a half. Perfect.
It has nowhere but to go here, bro. Come on,
I
bro.
was going to say we'll hold it for an hourly closure, but we reached this support. So
Break that level,
close
bro.
there. Once we get another closure, I'll look for more positions.
Bro, flip that, bro.
Ooh. The pullback. Chat.
I'm gonna hold it.
I'm going to take another position right here at 2604.3. Took another sell, 2604.3. All right. And I'm mostly looking on the hourly just because, like I said, if we don't drive through and fill the range now, we'll have top wick sells on the next hourly and we'll hold them for these wicks down here. It just because that's
5 minute
what would make
flipping.
sense. It would make sense for it to continue doing that.
Oh, with that.
We might actually have pineapples before the hourly closure. 7 minutes to go. If we get to 2607, I'll have pineapples. If we don't get there before the hourly closure, I'll look for top wick sells there as well.
I think 1 hour is gonna re-break that low. We have still some time. Between is coming. 5 minutes is like this. Okay. Taking that 20 pips. Boom,
And
we're
once
up
we
today.
re-break the
We're
current
up.
wick
Not
that
much,
we're in,
but
we're
we're
gonna go
up.
break even on our current positions. All right, gonna close full here
Wrap this on good
on both of these positions that we just took. And we're gonna wait on another 6 minutes for more sells.
महादेव शिक्षा परिषद कोशी मधेस र कर्णाली प्रदेशको विज्ञान विषय कोशी र लुम्बिनी
Stop trading, you're chasing your losses. Thanks, Mom.
अङ्ग्रेजी विषय महादेव
I'm
शिक्षा
taking
पदको कोशी
the same positions I would always take. That's it. Very simple. You have 6 minutes here. You filled the daily low, right? Is that the daily low? Oh, almost. Right here. 2598.
गुगलमा गएर नेपाल सरकार
Fill that
शिक्षक सेवा
4-hour
आयोग
level, right? The
नारायणी
swing to the
भक्तपुर टाइप
left.
गरेर आउँछ भने
Gonna come back 170k in a few minutes. No, but it won't be as long as you guys think. Like with my lots, it won't be that long. It might take me a couple weeks, but
yeah, that's also a buy, bro.
when
Look,
do I stop trading for the day? When my mental capital is spent. I've said this already many times.
that was also buy. That's all right. Took enough trade today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 trade today, man.
We are
8
looking
trade.
for a top wick in 5 minutes here. However this hourly closes, as long as it has a bottom wick, and as long as we open up with a top wick, we will have sells on the next hourly candle. All right? Don't make me raise my lot size again. All right, chat? Don't make me do it. mental capitalism, big drawdown? No. It's not. Y'all so toxic today? Well, yeah, Wix 9 took the biggest loss in our stream's history. Money-wise, not pip-wise, but money-wise, the biggest loss I've had. I don't know if Jay would have the pips for all the losses because it was a bulk closure. I don't think all of the positions showed up. I would have to go and count pips on like 20 positions. What's the plan for the hourly entry? I'm looking for a top wick entry on the next hourly in 2.5 minutes here.
$1,057.
Yeah, ideally this would be the area. Will we get there? I don't know. There's a chance we might have positions off this area, 26066 or 26008 flat.
माफहरूलाई नतिजा भेट्टाउन सकिएन कृपया रोल नम्बर र जन्म मिति मिलाएर राख्नुहोला माफ गर्नुहोला नतिजा भेट्टाउन सकिएन माफ गर्नुहोला नतिजा भेट्टाउन सकिएन माफ गर्नु के भन्छौ मिलाएर छ यार यो मन त्यही हो त
It's 40 seconds. 40 seconds here on the hourly, so lock in. We're gonna need some top wicks on the next hourly candle. Thing is, it's pushed back down now, but from where? What do we tap? So we don't want to break this high, right? You're probably looking at 2604. We need a bottom wick. If it doesn't have a bottom wick, this will suck.
Okay, bro.
20
Look.
seconds here.
1 hour is closing. If we are getting a top wick, a little top wick also gonna work.
Pull back. Pull back. Yeah, that. Oh, there's a wick here. There's a wick here. 2603.4 maybe? 2603.6.
That's consolidating.
Fuck. fucker. Yeah, I need this to pull back. I can't take a position there. That's not a top wick that I'm looking for.
I don't really think we need a top wick here. Getting a sell here. Because that top wick is already created, okay, by that.
037 maybe.
If it flips
That's
and
not a
closes
top wick
above this, I'm
looking for.
gonna
Was looking to come up here, these
oh,
areas,
that manage this. Else,
based on that hourly closure.
mine is this. The target is this. First target will be this points. What is the range? 20 pips.
Jeez. All right, gang. Taking a sell right here. Entry is 99.88. Based off this level to the left, 99.88. And the fact that we have multiple areas where we're going to be able to manage risk if we're wrong. Yeah, it's all about 6-7 pips. That's about it. Well, try to come down.
Come on, bro. Drag down on
Yeah, I
Daniel
saw about
50.
8-9 pips. This was a heavy push down.
Heavy.
So still, even after the hourly makes the top wick, I would still expect this to come down. Okay, gonna have another sell right. Oh, a bit too late on that, but just added another sell. 2600.
Alright, taking that 12 pips.
Alright, I'm gonna close
That
all
was a
my
drop.
positions out right
That was
here.
drop.
So 5 positions total, just close them out. Oh boy.
W, bro. W. Oh boy, oh boy. Look guys, what we got
We're
today.
gonna look
We
for more
got
closures here as we come down.
$12. That's like 17 pips. Bang show. 17 pips. Bang show. 24 to 36 baht. Sorry. No, I don't think like
I'm just playing this range to range on a smaller time frame. That's all I'm doing. Range to range.
अंग्रेजी विषय कोसिरा कर्णाली तथा
Yeah, that last trade
के हो
was
माध्यमिक तहको शिक्षा पदको सबै
28,
प्रदेशको गणित माध्यमिक तहको शिक्षा पदको
40.
कोशी मधेस बागमती गण्डकी लुम्बिनी र कर्णाली प्रदेशको सामाजिक विषय उम्मेदवार प्राप्त विवरण माध्यमिक तहको शिक्षक पद मधेस बागमती गण्डकी कर्णाली र
2,
प्रदेशको
58
विज्ञान
58
विषयको
pips flat or
प्राप्त
59. Last trade on stream, you want a total of 59.
माध्यमिक तहको गण्डकी लुम्बिनी नेपालको नेपाली तथा कम्प्युटर र संस्कृति माध्यमिक तहको शिक्षक पदको कोशी मधेस र कर्णाली प्रदेश
So we made 30 grand back. 1/5.
ग्रान्ड बनाएको नि भन्दैछ नि आउँछ भनेर motherfucker is pushing to these points यहाँबाट चाहिँ जाँदैन नि अब यहाँ बाइलिने हो मेससँग यहाँ हो क्या बाइलिने
Yeah, I see this heavy push down, but I'm taking what I'm confident in, right? What I know will get, or high that we're highly likely to get. I don't know if we're gonna get all of this, right?
यहाँ लिनु खोजेको उहाँ माथि गइहाल्यो
But I know that up to here we were getting it. Up to these support levels we were getting it.
Ooh, 20 pips. That's nice.
Yeah, there's still more room to trade. Like, the 15's closing in 7 minutes. If you get a pullback, we'll trade another top wick.
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. माफ गर्नु होला नतिजा भेटाउन सकिएन कृपया रोल नम्बर र जन्ममिति मिलाएर राख
Nice. So this is a good pullback. We just need some closures. This 15 has another 5 minutes to go, and the thing is, you're tapping this support that could turn into a resistance here. You might see this wick refill right back down within this candle in the next 5 minutes.
You can just take a sell here.
Right? So let's see what happens.
I'm like, not here.
Be funny if this 4-hour flips. All the way up.
Look at that. If you tap this support, then yeah, you can excel again. No, but like what's happening here is every time I think like I'm gonna leave this trade to go down, then it's gonna hit my stops, like break even. And I think, it's not gonna work, I'm gonna close. Just after I close it, comes down. Motherfucker, like
5 close.
like this market
Bearish.
is watching me.
Pull back. It's interesting.
Thank you, God, for everything. I'm really grateful for what you have given me. I've asked you for this day, for this thing every day, and you have given me. I'm really grateful for what I have.
Looks
Thank
like
you.
The A is gonna flip bearish. Looks like the 15 is gonna flip bullish.
Every time I used to pay, I used to pray, like I used
See,
to pray
that
for
15
like,
closure makes it
please
a bit
give
tough
me
to
the
take a
skills
entry.
to
Probably need a 30.
be profitable in trading. Please give me the skills. Like I used
Or
to
you need a heavy
ask
pull,
every time.
pull back up.
And finally, I'm doing something good now. Okay, I haven't been like super rich, but I'm doing some good progress
You see
here.
the 5, 15 is gonna close bearish. Chat, take a sell right here.
Yeah, it works. It will work
Well,
if you
I'm
take
taking a sell
cells.
right here. Just took a
Okay.
sell there at 24.97.
10 pips. So easy 10 pips. Okay.
On a re-break of the 15 low. So I'm looking for this wick to be partially filled, if not fully filled, the wick to the left. But if it doesn't fill, I'm looking at the higher time frame here.
Which wick he's talking about, bro?
I'm looking at the 4 hour here. And by the looks of it, we need 24.92 before making a decision. So with bottom wicks, it's 24.92.
So what I will be waiting for here is nothing. We got that. Yeah, nothing. I'm waiting for nothing. So, Cosmos, Ponividiana.
All right, closing full here. Just closed full that position. It's another W. Where's the pip count? Fuck the pip count. I'm trying to make my money back. Fuck your pip count.
6661. 666.
Last trade on stream, you won at 22.50. Is that 4? That's 4 dubs, right? We'll bring that to 290.
3006.
No, we're another like 20k from the milli. 5, right? Yeah, this is 291. I'm gonna make a big ass fucking Instagram post when I make my money back. When I make that 170k back, I'm gonna make a massive fucking post.
भन्ने अप्सन छ
15 closed here.
यहाँनिर झुक्किनु भएन यो नतिजा भन्ने अप्सनमा यसरी क्लिक गर्नु पर्यो अब यहाँनिर देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यहाँनिर आज यो प्रकाशन भएको माध्यमिक तहको अध्यापन अनुमति पत्रको चाहिँ नतिजा चाहिँ प्रदेश अनुसार फरक यहाँनिर देखाइरहेको छ तपाईले कुन प्रदेशबाट दिनुभएको छ यहाँनिर
Alright gang, taking a sell here, right where we are right now. 2597.82 .84 97.84. We got a top wick here. Right at these areas, at these previous support that could turn into resistance. And pineapple wise 26.6. Or 2600.6. That's where I would look for a pineapple. This is a lovely 15 closure.
4 cool gifts for science lovers. First up is this vortex lamp. After turning it on, a motor with flaps stirs the water to create a vortex, as you can see here. It also comes with tiny balls and snowflakes to add to the effect. However, make sure you want both of these before committing, because I decided I didn't really like the snowflakes and it was an annoying straining process to remove them all. Next is this levitating globe, which is similar to other gifts I had in last year's guide, but in this one the electromagnetic levitation comes from above rather than below. Next is this solar print paper. The paper is coated with a dye that becomes insoluble when it reacts with sunlight. So after waiting about 15 minutes, only the dye on parts of the paper that were shaded can still be dissolved. Okay. It's common to do plant leaves, but it's fun to see what works and doesn't work well with random objects. Last up is this phi top. When spun very fast with both hands, this top appears to defy physics by transitioning to spinning vertically. And here's what it looks like in slow motion. As always, you can find links to these and more on my website, coolsciencefinds.com, and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. 4 cool gifts.
Pearson Spectre Lid, what business do you have?
Lick my balls.
What'd you just say to me?
Hold on, skid marks. En el telefono, hombre, comprende? All right, man, I got a jet. We're settling into our new digs today. All right, later, Broseph Stalin.
Right here.
Excuse me, it must be some mistake. We're leasing space to the satellite division of the Stevens Investment Group.
That's me, pal, Stu Bazzini. I run the satellite division.
Well, that wasn't made clear to me when I met your boss.
He's not going to drag his ass in here every day. He's got one foot in the grave.
Well, then did he share with you the lease agreement, because it clearly outlined the dress code?
You think I wear this to work? What, am I an asshole? Next time you see me, I'll be in a suit 3 times more expensive than yours.
This is a Brioni.
It's a Brichetti as far as I'm concerned. Come on, buddy, give me some. Come on, brother, let me hang it.
Bottom wick.
That's my girl. I'm just kidding, Sally. Hey, holler at me if you need anything, okay?
Pearson,
Massive volume.
The rose perfume your
15
partner
close
wears
below
might
the
actually
range.
come from India.
Sorry,
Once you see how
26
it's made, you'll understand why traditional methods make it so affordable. Workers pick large amounts of rose petals directly from family-run rose gardens. These petals aren't washed. They go straight into the distillation pot. Reputable producers make sure every pot is packed full. There's no fancy technology involved, just water is added. Before sealing the lid, they line the rim with material to ensure only steam escapes through the small vent, which connects to a gourd-shaped metal distillation container. As the pot heats, steam rises and condenses into liquid inside the container. The container stays in cold water throughout to cool the vapors. After about 4 hours, you get bottles of pure, all-natural rose perfume. It's not only produced in large quantities, but also completely free of additives. The rose perfume your partner...
What's that old saying? Read 'em and weep.
Damn it.
You drive, partner?
Is this really your first time playing bridge?
Guess I'm just lucky. I mean, look at the family I married into.
Done. No, we're going again.
You insist.
You better not be hustling us.
I can't believe you'd accuse me of that.
Full right here.
Amanda, you need to up your game.
I'll do you one better. I'm up and I'm out.
You can't quit in the middle.
I think I hear the baby.
I think I hear a baby, too.
Oh, come on, Mandy. We're having fun.
Are we?
Tell you what, why don't we switch partners? I'll play with your mom.
Now we're talking.
Oh, what do I get, man?
I'm not that bad.
You are.
Am I?
Oh, what do I know? I'm just a beginner. What's that old saying? Read 'em and weep.
Damn it.
So you got a pip count on that last one? I'm pretty sure I'm looking at the positions. There's a whole bunch of them. All of them appeared. Are you up or down on the day? I'm down on the day, and I think I'm going to be down on the week based on that, based on the first trade we had today. One is 16.3. Beautiful. Show the positions. We just closed them. I just closed them.
Alright guys, this is it for today. Okay, let's journal and I will wrap up the stream. Monday, I haven't journaled from Monday. Monday, Tuesday,
I'm gonna
Friday.
wait on the 30 here. See how this 30 closes. If
So
it
this was
remains like
on
this,
Tuesday.
right, with this steep bottom wick, bearish.
Okay, what happened
we
on
will look
Tuesday?
for more top wick sells in about 7 minutes.
Custom period. From Tuesday, man. Yeah, Tuesday. So on Tuesday, what I took. 12, right? I had yesterday $30 actually. Had $30 profit.
Is that a W? I lost in that position.
And
No,
the first was
definitely a W.
First was a week entry. Okay, week entry. It was okay, what was the first? Was that a week entry? That was not a week entry.
I'm not trying
What
to do
was
anything. I
this?
told you, I'm not going to look for 170 bit or 170k trade. But I'm going to take my bits and pieces and we'll be right back there really quickly.
I really don't know, man.
At this pace, you'll make
Why
it
I
back
took
by
this
Friday. I
trade?
don't know about Friday, but
Okay.
look, it took me.
Fuck, this was a range
It took
fill, by the way.
me 3 weeks to make back to 60k.
Range fill on higher time frame. Win/buy, right? We got 25 pips, but it was a with 0.02 lot. Okay, it was a small lot.
But I was also at half the lots, right? I was also at
Okay.
half my lot size.
Next trade.
So at double the lot size,
Next trade
that probably
is
would have been
also,
120k. So 3 weeks.
range fill.
I think within a
Range
month
fill.
we should be
BE.
right back there.
Okay. Range fill plus range.
But we will get it back and we will surpass it.
Sell, last, no, button, wick, 1 hour.
Yeah, made back
Okay.
more, like around 20%. I don't want.
And another is 13 is that's a weak entry, man. That's a weak entry or structure. Close inside. Structure. I don't know. That's
What was the loss right there? You see session trades, buys minus a lot and sells minus a shit ton.
That is a range fill. No. Yeah. Rebreak. After a decent entry. Win / buy. Or not. What was it? It was a sell, motherfucker. If it is a sell, then that's not a break of structure.
Right.
That's
This will be interesting in 3 minutes here.
That's
30 goes in 3 minutes.
yeah, that's a structure. Like if it went up, it has to come down, right?
Till at the very least 11. Maybe even
The
longer,
next one
depends if
is
we're in a position or not.
next one is what is this? This is all sell. This is a buy actually. This is a buy. This is a big entry. 30-minute close above the range, and that's buy. Yeah. Buy / win. Sell / win. Caught to belt means that's 17 pips. 10 means that's 15 pips, I say. Close inside range and next 30 without top week. Comes down without top week. Okay, that was the deal.
Yeah, made back a little over 30K.
Okay. Dang. I think I took this much. Today we had a 19 loss. Okay, let's not say a 19. Let's say we took a buy. No, we took a sell. Okay, sell.
Double composure. I mean,
yeah, break of structure.
It's nothing out of the ordinary. Like
BE.
I know what kind of losses are possible. I know what my risk
Okay.
is.
30.
And I know how often we win our positions.
Clearing.
Really not much
Liquidity
in terms
out
of emotion there.
Range.
Yeah, it sucks getting burned, but you know. Shit.
Inside range. After clearing the liquidity range.
The greatest people in whatever industry
first is that break even.
they're in.
Oh no, break even. No break even. Break even. Lost
shots have completely
11
fucked up
pips.
before. I don't think we fucked up. We went through according to our plan. But,
sell / loss. Okay, pips was 11.
The possibility of getting clapped. Today, on our first trade of the day, the news trade, we got clapped. Getting clapped on CPI is never fun.
Okay,
but it's
and
part
the
of the
next
game.
trade is break even. Also, next trade is also break even.
All your
What
losses
was
is house
that?
money at
Next
this point. Oh yeah.
trade. Yeah, next
How do
trade
you manage
was
when these sort of trades don't flip? Well, I'm not expecting
range
a
fill.
flip per se, right?
Okay, BE.
I'm expecting a top wick to give us enough
And
of
the
an advantage
next-
point
next
where we
trade
can
is-
trade it to the next range. And if you see the bottom of the range here is not the flip. The bottom of the range here is right here. 25.97,
it's,
which was basically our first entry.
Win.
Right? Because if it taps that area and doesn't drive to the range and it
okay.
goes higher, then you're just expecting to come back to this
/ win.
initial entry.
Okay, that's
Because that's a
11 minutes. Oh, that's a 17. No. 10 pips. No. 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 pips, let's say. Okay, that's not 15, that's 14 pips actually. But and let's say bearish
30's closing here. We got a 30
bias
bearish
plus
closure. 15 weak bullish, 5
Range
bearish.
to fill down.
Gonna need a top wick.
Okay, there was range to fill down, and the next is 8.6. I was also this sales less win. Okay, we got 11 pips. Close outside range and candle. Okay, that was the thing. That was the thing that I
Be careful here.
had
This might
$14
not,
in profit
this
today.
might not come down.
34 look, yes.
Right, because 15, you can't break that high.
For the last 3 days, we had like $55 this.
I think the 1 hour here is really the most logical, right? Because you can come up here on the
I
30,
remember
flip
making
bullish on the
$100,
1
man,
hour.
on one
And if
trade.
that happens, you really need to see how the 1 hour closes.
Price 60, 66, 72. Yeah, man, that was.
But then
like
again,
80
we would need a
bips.
bottom wick, right? On the next
Our bro is in
candle.
trade, yes. Oh, I think he got out. What's the time? It's 17 or 30 minute closed.
Okay, so if we can get a little bit more
And the next candle is coming up.
to the upside. Chat, you know what? Let's take a sell right here at 20.
I don't feel like taking sales. If I had to take sales, then I would probably take.
The next
at these
candle we'll have
points.
to make a bottom wick before driving up.
Can we take a sell here?
So,
But,
right, if we're wrong, we'll have a chance to manage risk on that bottom wick. But I took a sell here at 25.99.9.
Yeah, let's see if it comes to these points.
And a sell right here at 26 flat. 26.7, I'm sorry. Sell at 26.7. So we have this right there running from across here, and we have 25.99.9. Where's that? Yeah, I might have saw about 7 or 8 pips. That's about it.
All right, guys. This is this much for today. Thank you for joining
And
the stream. I got 4 views. Nigga, 4 views. We got like
the
yeah,
only
some
other
pips, 20
pineapple would
pips.
be here.
That's fine.
2602.4.
That's good. We had a drawdown of like 120 pips, something like that, but we brought back that to down to well, we brought
I
back
mean, that was an
to,
amazing 30
like
closure.
11 pips, and we closed at minus 11 pips, and after
And
that
we
we
have pretty
got
solid wick entries here.
actually got about 30 pips. That 10 pips was minus there. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. This is